Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our ninth chapter of mathematics, that is patterns. In this chapter we learn identifying pattern and pattern rules and tiling as a pattern. So let's start the chapter. So students, first of all, what do you mean by pattern? पैटर्न होता क्या है? थिंग्स और नंबर्स दैट आर अरेंज्ड फॉलोइंग अ रूल इज कॉल्ड अ पैटर्न. आई रिपीट, थिंग्स और नंबर्स दैट आर अरेंज्ड फॉलोइंग अ रूल इज कॉल्ड अ पैटर्न. We can find patterns all around us. If we observe, we may be able to find patterns in nature. Okay? So students, first of all, we are doing a revision exercise. Complete the pattern by filling the appropriate color. Students, here see, first color is orange, second is blue, third is green. Again orange, blue, green, orange, blue, green. All these repeat itself by a fixed interval. So here we start from orange color, orange, blue, green. Okay? Similarly, see, circle the picture that comes next in each pattern. Circle the picture that comes next in each pattern. See this question. Flowers, one flower, two flower. उसके बाद क्या आ रहा है? एक एम्ब्रेला टाइप कुछ आ रहा है. अगेन फ्लावर्स. नेक्स्ट फिर से वही एम्ब्रेला टाइप कुछ चीज आ रही है. उसके बाद स्टूडेंट्स आपको पता है क्या आएगा? यू नो व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर फ्लावर. ओके ओके. इन द लास्ट, इज दिस अ पैटर्न और नॉट? क्या ये पैटर्न है और नहीं? सी, ट्रायंगल, टू सर्कल्स, ट्रायंगल, वन सर्कल, ट्रायंगल, थ्री सर्कल्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज नॉट अ पैटर्न बिकॉज these they are not follow any rule. So this is not a pattern. No, this is not a pattern. Next question, red, blue, green, blue. This is not a pattern. This is again not a pattern. Okay? Okay students, next part is core pattern. Identifying the core patterns. First, we know about core pattern. core pattern होता क्या है? The element that gets repeated is called the core of a pattern. The element that gets repeated is called the core of pattern. Means see, green triangle, brown triangle, again green triangle, brown triangle. This is the core of pattern because ये दोनों ट्रायंगल्स बार बार रिपीट हो रही हैं. मीन्स इस पूरे पैटर्न का कोर क्या है? दिस इज द कोर ऑफ ए पैटर्न. सिमिलरली सी दिस इज अ स्क्वायर एंड दिस इज अ पॉइंट. स्क्वायर, ये पॉइंट इधर आ गया. अगेन स्क्वायर, ये पॉइंट यहाँ से इस प्लेस पे आ गया. अगेन स्क्वायर और ये वाला पॉइंट कहाँ पे आ गया? इधर आ गया. ओके. सी स्टूडेंट्स, ये सेम चीज यहाँ पे रिपीट हो रही है। अगेन अगर इस पैटर्न को हम आगे लेके जाएंगे तो ये सेम चीज ही नेक्स्ट रिपीट होगी। इट मीन्स दिस इज द कोर ऑफ पैटर्न। दिस इज द कोर ऑफ ए पैटर्न मीन्स इस पूरे पैटर्न का कोर क्या है, ये। ओके, नाउ एक्सरसाइज पार्ट, आइडेंटिफाई द कोर पैटर्न्स इन द फॉलोइंग एंड सर्कल दैम। स्टूडेंट्स सी, येलो सर्कल, ब्लू सर्कल, येलो सर्कल, ब्लू सर्कल, येलो ब्लू, येलो ब्लू। दिस इज अ पैटर्न। फर्स्ट सर्कल इज ब्लू, second circle is, sorry, first circle is yellow, second circle is blue. This repeats again and again, means this yellow circle and blue circle is the core of pattern, means इन दोनों से मिलकर ये पैटर्न बना है। तो इस पैटर्न का कोर क्या है, ये। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ट्रायंगल, स्क्वायर, circle, triangle, square, circle. Students, you can see that here in this pattern, triangle, square and circle are three things that repeats itself again and again. Means these three things are the core of pattern, core of this pattern. Okay, in the last question, ट्रायंगल विथ डॉट हेयर, ट्रायंगल विथ डॉट हेयर, ये डॉट यहाँ से यहाँ आ गया, एंड नेक्स्ट ट्रायंगल विथ डॉट हेयर, ये वाला डॉट यहाँ से यहाँ पे आ गया। उसके बाद ये तीनों ट्रायंगल्स फिर से रिपीट होगी। दिस इज अ पैटर्न एंड दिस इज अ कोर ऑफ दिस पैटर्न। आई होप यू गॉट इट नाउ अबाउट द कोर ऑफ पैटर्न। Next is growing and shrinking patterns. Growing and shrinking patterns. So students, growing means किसी चीज का बढ़ना, ग्रो करना। अगर कोई चीज 1 से 2, 2 से 4, 4 से 6 हो रही है, मीन्स वो चीज क्या कर रही है, ग्रो कर रही है। ग्रो इन ए नंबर। अ ग्रोइंग पैटर्न इज अ पैटर्न in which the numbers increases and the part added changes each time in a particular manner. Students, see here 2 squares, 4 squares, 6 squares, 2, 4, 6 number increase every time. So this is a growing pattern. And shrinking pattern, shrink means किसी चीज का श्रिंक होना, मीन्स कम होना। अ श्रिंकिंग पैटर्न इज अ पैटर्न इन विच द नंबर्स डिक्रीज एंड द पार्ट सब्ट्रैक्टेड चेंजेस ईच टाइम इन अ पर्टिकुलर मैनर। ग्रोइंग पैटर्न में पार्ट ऐड होता है, श्रिंकिंग पैटर्न में पार्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट होता है, मीन्स घटता है। सी, इसमें देखो ये कितना बड़ा था, फिर छोटा हो गया और फिर एंड पे उससे ज़्यादा छोटा हो गया। दिस इज अ श्रिंकिंग पैटर्न। ओके, कंटिन्यू द फॉलोइंग पैटर्न्स। स्टूडेंट्स, सी, इन द फर्स्ट देर इज ओनली 1 सर्कल, इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप देर इज ए 3 सर्कल्स, मीन्स 2 increase, and in the next step there is a 5 circles, means again 2 increase, and in the next step again increase 2 circles, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now here we have 7 circles because 2 circles are increasing each time. Every time 2 circles increase. This is a growing pattern because numbers increase every time. Next question, count the stars 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. In the first step we have 8 stars. Next step we have 6 stars. and in the next step we have 4 stars. And next step, students, you can clearly see that this is a shrinking pattern. Number decrease every time. 6 from 8 and 4 from 6. Now in the last we have only 2 stars. We have only 2 stars. Okay, this is a shrinking pattern. Third question, 2 triangles, 4 triangles, 6 triangles, means this is a growing pattern. Number increase every time, and in the next step there are 8 triangles. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 triangles. Means this is a growing pattern. And last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we have 7 box. In the next step we have 5 box. And in the next step we have only 3 box. Means 2 boxes are always decreases. 2 box, each time 2 box are decreases, and in the last step we have only 1 box. Okay, this is a shrinking pattern. Now students, pattern with numbers. Skip counting produces various patterns. Skip counting produces various patterns, and students, these patterns are very, very important. Look at the number line given below and find the pattern. Start from 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Means the pattern rule is +2. Pattern rule is +2. The next number will be 10, 12 and 14 and so on. Now find the pattern rule and the next 2 numbers in the next number line. Students, see, this pattern starts from 3, 6, 9, 12. Always the pattern rule is +3. Always 3 add. 3 is add in each time, every time. So pattern rule is +3. The next 2 number will be 15 and 18. 15 and 18. Okay. Find the pattern rules and predict the next 3 numbers. One has been done for you. So students, in the first question, 19, 80, 70, 60 means the pattern rule is -10. Next question, 50, 100, 150, 200 means every time we add 50 here. So pattern rule is +50. So next 3 numbers are 250, 300, 350. Next question, 92, 90, 88, 86 means every time 2 decreases. Means pattern rule is -2 and next 3 numbers are 84, 82, 80. And in the last question, 22, 23, 24, 22, 33, 44, 55. Every time 11 increases. Means every time when we add 11 in 22 we get 33. 11 in 33 we get 44. Means every time we add here +11. So pattern rule is +11 and the numbers are 66, 77, 88. I hope you got it. Okay students, next is tiling. Tiling is any pattern made of repeating shapes that covers a surface completely without overlaps or gaps. Students, have you observed the flooring in your house or elsewhere? You must have seen that the entire floor is covered without leaving any gap. Usually we see in our houses or anywhere, the floor has been tiled with squares. Harish, the mason, was building a compound wall using tiles. Mala was observing him build and asked him why he was using only rectangular tiles and not round tiles. Harish took a paper and showed her why. Students, you can clearly see that if we use circular tiles, there leaves gaps and they also make the wall wear. Circular tiles cannot tiled because they leave gaps. See, these are the gaps. And they also make the wall wear. Wear means अच्छी नहीं लगेगी देखने में wall. Okay? So students, observe the shape blocks given below and say whether they were tile or not. This is a oval in shape. This is not. They will not tile. So answer is no. This is in square shape. Yes, of course, it is tiled. Again, this is no. This is yes. This is a tiled. We apply in wall or anywhere. Okay. So students, this is all about our chapter pattern. I hope you got it very well. Thank you for watching this video.